Today is the big day. We are getting the plants delivered from the Elizabeth River Project. I believe they use Lady Ferns. That is one of their native plant partners that's here locally in Norfolk. So I think that's who they ordered the plants from. So I just got off the phone with them and they are on their way with all of the plants. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to do this project. We actually decided to reuse the lawn, the side that we're gonna remove from the front yard and move it into the back where we don't have any grass and we have been struggling to get it to grow from seed. And then up here in the front, we'll have a nice, beautiful native plant garden beds to line the front walkway. So I'm so excited. Thank you to the Elizabeth River Project for accepting my proposal for this lawn conservation project, DIY project, and I'm super excited. These are all the plants that we are going to use to redo these two garden beds on the side. Now, they actually told me that if I wanted to extend the pink mully grass to create like a hedge here in the front on either side, that I could go ahead and do that, add it to the project, and they would include that in the project. So I'm definitely going to talk to Mr. Blakes about doing that, because why not include it in this project? So we are ready to plant, and hopefully we'll get this planted today. Oh my goodness.
As long as you can dig the hole.
Yep.
Well, can't get them all. Big break so far. Consider the outcome.
So to add a little bit of razzle dazzle, instead of doing like an exact flip of the design on both sides, I kind of turned the design so that way it's pretty much all the same plants, but when you come up the pathway, there'll be a little bit of variation on either side.
I can't wait to see the end result here and in the back.
Good morning. So we are back. It's day 2. We're still in the same 24 hours. So the goal is to finish this within 24 hours of when the plants were delivered at 10 yesterday. So we might be able to make the deadline of getting this completed within the 24 hours. This morning I came out and finished doing the layout so that Mr. Blakes, all we have to do is just dig holes and plant plants. And once that's done, all we'll have to do is basically come back in with the wood chips to mulch, water, and we're done. Excuse my look, but I gotta protect my hair. I don't want dirt and stuff all in my hair. I don't want to get in trouble with my lactician. So that's where we're at. Okay, this side is all planted. I'm gonna water it. This side is all planted. So we're all done. The project is complete, and I cannot wait to see how everything turns out once things start blooming and all of that good stuff, and see what pollinators and all that kind of fun stuff come to the garden. Thank you so much to Elizabeth River Project for doing this co-funding lawn conservation project with us, and stay tuned to see what happened with the lawn that we took up from this area to make this project happen. That'll be in another video.